Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change page orientation, portrait or landscape mode in Doc. So for you to do that, first to change the page orientation. As you can see now, this particular page I'm working on right now is on portrait mode. For the page 1 and page 2, they are both on portrait mode. If you want to extend them, I want them to be in landscape form. This is how I can get it done. So if you want to do that, you head over to format, then click on page orientation. Right here you can configure the page orientation. I can see orientation is in portrait, then I can just simply change this to landscape. It will change the entire page of the document. Also, if you want these new settings to be applied to the whole document, then you just simply click on document, or probably I want it to be on a selected content. It is a particular document I'm working on, and I want the document to be landscape. Then I can select the document. So right, I'm just going to pick new document, then click on OK. You can see there's a slight difference between the portrait and the landscape. And I want to change the view. I want to put it back to portrait. Let's go back to format, click the orientation, then back to portrait, then set it back to document. Maybe it's OK. You can see. And that's it. If I leave you a phone, like a phone for more, thank you.